The new student in the UK finds paradise on earth and a tender home in a new land at the Penworks House, Birmingham. With sophisticated private and ensuite apartments, the Penworks House is a symphony for the senses in the cool azure backdrop of London's chic urban life. Soft, luxuriant beds lead the way to a personal study area with dark wood chest drawers and contrasting white wardrobes for the quizzically stylish. The white bathrooms are decorated in bright shades of Spanish onions against the teal and blue shelves for toiletries and essential perfumes. The airy windows of the bedroom and those of the sprawling kitchen host harmonious cross-ventilation, as the modular chimney lets out the buttery steam off the Christmas roast basting in the oven. White overhead cabinets and dark wood chests offer a sight of the worn dining area, where many a scintillating conversation can start over a homemade cherry pie. Find every item on your recipe at the nearby Tesco and Rica Express, given to the afternoon haze in the shiny camelback couches of the communal lounge. The commute-friendly building is a haven for students from Birmingham City University, Aston University, and University College Birmingham, who feel swept at the feet of the J.F. Kennedy Memorial and the Chamberlain Memorial, reminding them to refocus on the treasure chest of time. Sunday grub is a rustic spread of burgers, fries, and slush at the Ice Axe. Save up for an end-of-the-month feast in the lush quarters of Gaucho, even if just to let your new life know that you have arrived. Happiness is rustic yet sophisticated, poetic yet boisterous at the Penworks Birmingham. Be sure to experience this haven of glory by booking a pristine stay with amberstudent.com.